I still remember those days when I was the only trainer, I was the only office boy, I was the only one at reception. So we had this one person in office, that one person was I. We had two small rooms, one chair, one table, and two chairs for students. That's it, nothing else. So I started teaching grammar. I had taught grammar for months and years. Then one day I was talking to myself and I said, enough. I cannot teach grammar anymore. I want to grow more, grow further in life. I want to make some progress. And I decided to be a public speaker. Wow, it was fascinating, public speaking. You're speaking in front of thousands of people and they are trying to listen to you or they're pretending to listen to you, but you think you're doing a fantastic job. It was a fascinating thing for me. Then I stood and delivered. I went to my office in the morning. I still remember that day. I went to my office and I wanted to give a speech in front of the same students I was teaching, but I could barely utter a word. I stood and delivered for the very first time. I couldn't speak. I was just sweating, those spine-chilling sensations, so nothing was working, and I gave up after a few days. Then somehow I gathered the courage and watched a few motivational videos of speakers where they were yelling, they were giving you all those advices, boom, 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 boom. Yes, I got motivated. I was so much motivated just for 2 days. After 2 days, motivation went away. It fell flat. It disappeared. I was on the same track. What to do, man? I read few articles where authors were suggesting, relax. Of course, we all are relaxed. But at the time of public speaking, we forget everything. But they were suggesting to breathe. We all breathe. I don't want to criticize them, of course. They were not wrong, but this wasn't working for me. Then this idea, when I read in some book, idea of neuroplasticity, it blew my mind. What is neuroplasticity? Basically, your brain can rewire itself. We have this ability to rewire ourselves. Your brains can rewire itself. But neuroplasticity will have to show its effect. And how this works, experiences, your belief, your thought process. That's it. If you're afraid of public speaking, where is the solution of stage fright? On the stage itself. You'll be embarrassed, but you'll have to speak. You'll be made fun of, but you'll have to speak. You'll go through many dejections, depressions, disappointments, but you'll have to speak. That's what I did. Neuroplasticity finally showed its effect. I started improving. Improvement is a lifetime process. I'm still improving, but I became a better version of myself. Because our brain can rewire itself. That simple line, that our brain can rewire itself, it blew my mind. I stopped watching motivational videos for better public speaking. I just simply started going on the stage. Started asking for the feedback from different people. Started reading right kind of books. This changed everything. When I uploaded my first video on YouTube, people were abusing me, MF, SF. There were so many abusive comments. And my relatives, they happened to read those comments and they said, "Badi gala pendi hai yaar tanu." I said, it's okay. My time will get better. My time will come. Apna time aayega. Because of neuroplasticity. That's it. So you want to be a better version of yourself. You want to be a better public speaker. Do one thing. Read an article about neuroplasticity. Google neuroplasticity. Go through everything about neuroplasticity and you'll get to know your brain can rewire itself. And find a better mentor. Read right kind of books. And the solution of stage fright is on the stage itself. Nowhere else. Happy public speaking.